Okay, here's the new device in the smaller form factor. Here you can see the MOSFET, and hot glued down to the board is the thermistor, and this whole thing is a heating element. This is a little bit better potentiometer that gives me some more fine-tuning. This, once again, is the too hot knob, or the too hot LED. When this LED is on, the MOSFET is off, and vice versa. See how it's getting dim there? That means that it needs to heat up a little bit. So the dimness means that it's going to start firing the MOSFET, and once it starts firing it, it should start to get a little bit brighter. This method isn't perfect. I imagine that I'll get some oscillation in temperature because there's a slight delay between when I actually heat up the pad and when the thermistor reads the value. But I hope that the insulating effect of the material beneath this copper-plated board will somewhat average out that effect. In other words, the copper plating on the surface, it's really warm to the touch. I can barely touch it without feeling uncomfortable. It's just cool enough to prevent the hot glue from melting. There's a layer of plastic of some sort between these two copper-plated boards, and I think that will be enough of an insulation so that the back is warm. Like the back plate is warm to the touch. This is a great spot to put a crystal, and I think that that middle material will be a good buffer. So this is my end result. I'm going to try to put a crystal on the back of that guy and see how it goes.